How to verify your Remitly account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can verify your Remitly account. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Remitly app and you'll get an interface like this. Now it might take some time to load up. It depends on your device and your internet connection. However, let it load up and you'll get an interface like this. Now at the bottom of your screen you can see various options. You can see home, recipients, send, rewards and my Remitly. Simply tap on my Remitly option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, here you'll find the option increase limits. You can see below the payment methods option the increase limits option. Simply tap on it and here you'll be able to see your limit here currently on your account. I'm on tier 1 here, and if you haven't verified your account you'll be on tier 1 as well. You can either switch to tier 2 by tapping on tier 2, or you can either switch to tier 3. However, you'll have to apply for tier 2 first to apply for tier 2. So to verify your account, simply tap on tier 2 option here and simply tap on apply for tier 2. Below you can see information needed. You'll need some information here, your full SSN or ITIN and your government issued photo ID, and additional information about your use of our service, including details of your search funds. Simply tap on apply for tier 2 here, and once you tap on it, here you'll be able to enter your information. Simply type in your information here, your necessary details, your information, and then tap on continue here. And once you do it, once you enter in your documents and everything, you'll be able to increase your limits and your account will get verified as well. So this way you can verify your Remitly account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.